Hi, one of the hardest things on the cello is to get our first fingers low enough. Our hands want to play the cello like this, and teachers try to get us to open up our hand and play it like this. So one of the things I think that helps is to do this practice where we put our second, third, and fourth finger on the A string, pluck your open D and fourth finger A. It's always a good place to start. And we lift our first finger up without using our thumb, and we practice bouncing it in a heavy way to the A string, right? I mean the D string, right on that E natural. If you're doing it loud enough, or if you're doing it heavy enough, you should be able to hear it. Notice it's almost straight, this first finger. So we should do about 10 reps, take a little rest. We'll take mini rests and we'll do this 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your left hand here. We'll just take a mini rest for a second. Check your fourth finger again. Make sure it hasn't moved. Keep these fingers in line. All right, here we go again. 10 reps to the D string. D. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a little mini rest. You can prop your arm here. It's always good to keep our hand on the cello just to keep us familiar. If you need to drop it, shake it out, no problem. Come back, check your open D, fourth finger D. Let's drop our first finger now again to the D string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake it out. This is a big rest. Try not to use your thumb. When you start to play the cello, everyone kind of squeezes with the hands and it makes the left hand a little bit more difficult to get down. All right, I'm not going to talk now. We're just going to go through 3 reps. Open D, fourth finger D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake it out. D, fourth finger D. That's just to get the hand position. Open D. Here we go. First finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I should tell you that my left hand, second, third, and fourth finger on the A string are just lightly touching. They're floating on the A string. I am not pressing and pulling those notes, just touching here. Of course, I have to pull to make this note speak, but now I relax. First finger is the only one with pressure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. I guarantee you that if you do that, your left hand will be stronger and that this first finger will work in a better fashion.